to item number 12 in the core piece of marketing, which P refers to the communication activities used to inform consumers about the product. Is it a product? Let it be price. Let us say place or let it be promotion. What is your choice? Item number 12. Tapak na choice natin dito would be, this is letter G, no? That is what we call promotion na tinatawag. Okay, tandaan po natin, sa ating marketing, meron po tayong apat na P's, no? Yung unang-una po dito would be the products. Okay, tandaan po natin, kapag sinabi po natin product, of course, ito po yung mga goods or services no offered to satisfy consumer needs. Okay, yan po yung ating mga products. Pag sinabi naman po natin price, okay, ito po ba yung price natin? Okay, ito po. Pag sinabi po natin price, of course, ito po ay amount, no? Consumers or customers pay to obtain the product. Okay, yan po yung ating price mismo, no? About the money. Kapag sinabi naman po natin place, tandaan po natin, of course, ito naman po yung ating mga distribution channels, no? Where the product is made available to consumers. Okay? And of course, the last one here would be our promotion. Kasi nga po, pag sinabi po natin promotion, of course, ito po yung ating mga marketing activities, no? Na ginagamit po natin para makapag-communicate, di ba? To inform our consumers about a product or services. Okay? Yan po yung ating promotion mismo. Kaya larity po yung ating tumpak na choice.